And we're back for the last one. They really do bring things all together in this game pretty well. In the island they had a dragonfly you have to take apart, and this one they have one you have to put together. There are so many green herbs. I'm going to do one thing just for the hell of it. Unlock now. Hello? Oh, hi Natalie, how are you? Good. I was just looking through these papers and I was about to send them in, but I just had a couple of quick questions. For this this Becker form that I was sent, I understand I'm supposed to send that back into Becker. For the phone number, that's my home number. It's listed on there. Should I change that to my cell phone number, or should I keep that the way it is? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it. Alright, so I'll probably change that then. The other thing, it never mentioned anything about off days or sick days. Is that something that's going to come up later on? Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Alright, now that I understand that helps a little bit. Yeah, that's all that I really had, and I'll have these sent in a little while then. Thanks so much. Sounds great. Alright. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye. Okay, I'm very sorry about that, but that was my soon-to-be employer, so you can understand my jump to get over there. I won't be needing those. I thought there'd be more. Oops. I probably have enough health. I like the end stage music here. And Chris says, none of the shenanigans, Claire, just give me what I need. Did anybody really need a security file to know the answer to this puzzle? In good Resident Evil fashion, they make it a point to say that all the doors are unlocked. I don't know that I'll have enough crossbow bolts.
excited.
Of course. Come on, let's get out of here.
You could just run, you know, past the tentacle. I guess standing there and watching would be a better plan.
What are we gonna do?
Okay, turn the key clockwise simultaneously on 3.
Got it.
There we go.
I'll keep her busy. Just go for the emergency elevator.
Chris, but...
I can take care of this. Just go.
Her jacket says, "Let me
You have
live."
to make it. Don't die on me.
That's a nice line there, Claire. And by the way, the whole scene took about 4 seconds. I don't know anything about viruses, but I don't think you can just gain mass like that. Oh, okay. And plenty of bullets, I guess. Alright, this is where you pause and guess how many shots it's going to take. I'm taking 2 shots, because the first one I gotta remember how to shoot the thing. Oop, nope, more than 2. Was that 5? The little monkey quit moving around. Apparently I got her. So yeah, this game, as I mentioned before, it was probably the easiest challenge I had to do, just because there's no difficulty setting, there's only the one you can play. Zombies are not, they don't do much damage. The knife is like super powered in this game.
Well done, Chris.
And as you can see,
So now, the only thing
Even without the,
revenge.
Let her go, Wesker. You don't want her.
even without the first aid sprays, there's still way more than enough healing items, especially late in the game.
Today's a good day. I came for Alexia, but killing you is even better.
Sorry to disappoint you, but Alexia is gone.
That's no longer a concern to me. I have Steve to work with.
What?
Steve.
In his body, there's still a living T. Alexia virus. Steve should be a good specimen. Maybe he'll come back alive, just as I did, and be able to see your sister again.
You freak.
Don't you touch him!
I'm sorry, dear heart. But my men have already taken him.
How do your men get down
Get
here?
out of here.
That doesn't make any sense.
What about?
As a surviving member of SCARS, I have to.
Remember your promise.
Remember how the place was gonna blow up in 3.5 minutes?
I'll end this once and for all. Say hello to my comrades who you've killed.
I don't know where you get your confidence, Chris.
The self-destruct system has been activated.
Oh, no problem getting into that for Claire.
Immediately. The self-destruct system has been activated. All personnel evacuate immediately.
I enjoyed playing this game a lot, mostly because it's been such a long time since I did it, and a lot of it was kind of like going through it again for the first time since it had been so long. But if I was really trying for a speed or anything like that, I probably wouldn't be watching any videos. But the no retries is kind of cool.
Sure, I'm not human anymore. But just look at the power I've gained. Magnificent, don't you think?
And once he goes to superhuman speed is when he's gonna do fine. Take a breather there, Chris. You only got about a minute and a half before the place explodes.
Nice try.
Wesker.
Today's your lucky day. Next time we meet, don't count on another.
Next.
Until we meet again.
Hurry up, Chris. Remember, Claire doesn't know how to fly a plane.
are you?
Hey, you know that I always keep my promises.
Chris, promise me. Please promise that you won't leave me alone again.
I'm sorry, Claire, but it's not over yet. There's still something we've got to do.
You mean...
Yeah, it's payback time. We've got to destroy Umbrella. Now, let's finish this once and for all.
I'm thinking my next game will probably be the no healing items run of Resident Evil 4 that I promised previously. That one will take a lot of video, a lot of time. I think the best completion time I had was like 5 hours and 40 minutes or something like that. So that'll be quite a bit, but I'm sure it'll be a treat. I doubt there's anyone out there that's attempted such a thing. And I'm not using infinite ammo weapons. I will be doing round 2, but everything there comes with a limit. No hand cannon, no electro zappo gun, whatever that thing is. But it's gonna be legit. I've done it a couple times. It's been a while since I've tried it last, but I'm looking forward to it. It's been a while since I played number 4, but I've played through it so many times that it's just second nature at this point. I haven't filmed my speed run of it yet, but I think I was up to like 2 hours and 17 minutes at my best, but I think this one will be a little bit more impressive. And when I say my best time, I mean I'm not using Chicago typewriter, no infinite laundry. I'm only using legit weapons. And I never ever, of course, use first aid sprays. That all being said, you've been watching Code Veronica X. No healing items, knife, handguns, and bowgun only, along with cutscene weapons. Hope you enjoyed watching it. That is the end. Join me next time. Until then, have a good day.